Hey everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. So guys, in this video I will discuss how to switch manual to automation, what a skill set is required. Suppose you are working in manual testing, but if you want to switch manual to automation. So I will just give you one example. So this question asked many times. Okay, so I thought I can create a video, so make sure watch this video till end and you will get proper roadmap how to switch manual to automation. So guys, first of all you have to select one programming language. Either you can go for Java, Java, JavaScript or Python. Okay, so suppose if you want to start, if you are learning from the fresh, or just you want to start because before you did not learn any Selenium, Java or anything, right? So I will recommend you gonna start with JavaScript Playwright. Okay, go for uh, JavaScript programming. First learn JavaScript in the depth, then you can start to learn Playwright. Okay, in Playwright you can automate UI and API, and many configuration is there with the Playwright for AI agent and all. Okay, so now these days we have a more requirement for Playwright. Okay, now the question is, I learn Playwright, I learn JavaScript, and now I want to start interview as a experience. So guys, if you are not showing, like, if you are showing you know less than 2 year or 2 year of experience in automation testing, you will get less interview calls. Okay, so if you have a more experience, I will recommend you have to go for minimum 3 year of experience in automation. If you have a less experience, that is fine, but if you have a more experience like 4 or 5 year or 6 year or more than that, so minimum 3 to 5 year of experience you have to show in your profile. And now the question is, how we can survive, how to do the practice to get a knowledge as a real time. Okay, so first of all you have to find the good tutor. Okay, so we are also providing live training for Playwright from basics to advanced, framework development, resume preparation, real time hands on practice. So if you will learn basics and advanced, then you can implement framework. Okay, so after implementing the framework, at least you can automate you know 20 to 50 test cases using the same framework. You have a knowledge of UI also, you have a knowledge of API as well. Okay, and apart from that you have to learn Git, Jenkins. Okay, so you have to know the Git, like how to handle the conflict, basics, Git command, GitHub. Then Jenkins, how to create a job. At least you have a knowledge of basics Jenkins to create a job, schedule the job. Okay, if you are good in this all the things, okay, and definitely you can go for your around, you can update your profile in your resume what the project you have to you have to show. If you are a manual tester, you can show the same application. If you are not, you can pick any application which is not from India or US company, any web application, and you can put over there. Verification means company will not do any verification for project. Okay, the same application you can write the manual test cases, same test cases you can automate using your framework. So whatever the activity you are doing day to day, you have implemented the framework, you have implemented the core part of the framework, utility, page object, how utility you have developed for data, how to handle the static data, how to handle the dynamic data. Okay, then same same thing you can explain in your interview. Okay, I think that is enough, guys. If you are doing the proper practice, spend 1 hour daily. Okay, as your best how much your time is getting, but consistency is very important. Target yourself. If you want to learn from the scratch, so we have a online classes where I can guide you from basics, advanced level of the concept, real time resume preparation, and also will support you your placement. Okay, that's all in this video, guys. If you have still any doubt, you can comment. Definitely I will reply back to you. If you are new in the channel, please share my video and subscribe my channel. So in the next video, bye bye.